Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to engage with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates. Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the third chapter, addition of the numbers from 0 to 9 of class 1. Addition means to put things all together and addition means combining. Addition means joining things all together. So now let's learn addition by various examples. Now friends, let us move on to our first slide. Friends, look at this picture. Friends, you can see there are 3 boxes in the first row. Can you tell me how many apples are there in the first box? Yes, you guessed it correct. Count with me friends. 1, 2. So, there are 2 apples in the first box. And in the second box, we can see there is only 1 apple. So friends, now we have to all together the 2 boxes apples. So let us count the apples all together. 1, 2, 3. So 2 apples and 1 apple is equal to altogether 3 apple. Now friends, in the next row you can see the pictures of balls. First we will count the balls of the first box. Count with me friends. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 balls in the first box. And in the second box there are 2 balls. 1, 2. Now friends, we have to all together the 2 boxes balls. So let us count the balls all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So friends, 3 balls and 2 balls is equal to 5 balls. Friends, I hope this is clear to you now. Now friends, let us proceed on to our next slide. Friends, observe the picture carefully. In the first box, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in the first box, there are 4 ants. And after some time, 2 more ants add with them. So, friends, let us count the ants all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So friends, 4 ants and 2 ants is equal to 6 ants. Now friends, in the next picture, you can see some birds are sitting on branches. Now friends, count with me how many birds are sitting on the branches in the first box. 1, 2. So, there are 2 birds in the first box. But in the second box, there is no birds. That means 0 birds are here. So friends, now we have to all together the birds. So let us count the birds all together. Count with me friends. 1, 2. So friends, 2 birds and 0 bird is equal to 2 birds. Now friends, move on to our next slide. Friends, here you can see there are some chocolate. Friends, I have 2 chocolates in the first box. 1, 2. And my friend gave me 2 more chocolates. 1, 2. So friends, how many altogether? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So friends, 2 chocolates plus 2 more chocolates is equal to 4 chocolates. Now friends, let us move to our next picture. Friends, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 flowers. And I add 2 more flowers. 1, 2. So how many flowers altogether? Let's find out friends. Count with me friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 flowers plus 2 flowers is equal to 7 flowers. Friends, I hope this is clear to you now. Friends, if you have not seen my previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen in order to check out for the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now we have 2 plus 3 is equal to what? Let us count friends. First we draw 2 sticks. 1, 2. Then we add 3 more sticks. 1, 2, 3. So, how many altogether friends? Let's count the sticks altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer will be 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now friends, come to our next problem. Now friends, first draw 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. Next we draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many altogether friends? Let's count the sticks altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are 9 sticks altogether. So, the answer will be 9. So, friends, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Friends, I hope you are having fun doing this. I will provide you more examples, PDF, worksheets, interesting puzzles in our AP and Telegram groups. So friends, don't forget to join our AP and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us proceed on to our next slide. Here in this slide, we will have to add the given set of numbers. So, let us start. In our first figure, the two sets of the number given are 5 and 1. And we will have to add the given numbers. So friends, the process is quite similar to the previous concept. First, let me take 5 ticks on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one stick on the other hand. Now on joining them, now friends, how many altogether? Count with me friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 sticks in total. So, here in this problem, our answer will be 6. In the second figure is quite similar to the first one. We will have to take 4 sticks in one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 sticks in the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So friends, now let me join them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we found that there are 8 sticks in total. So here in this problem, our answer will be 8. Similarly, in the third one, on one hand, we have 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. Friends, can you tell me how many sticks there are in other hand? Yes, you are correct. As the other number is 0, so my other hand is empty. On joining the two, we found that there are only 3 sticks. So here in this problem, our answer will be 3. Now let us come to the fourth problem. Here the first number is 0 and the other number is 8. So in my one hand there are 8 sticks and the other hand is empty. So friends, on joining them, we found that there are 8 matchsticks in total. So here in this problem, our answer will be 8. Friends, I hope you understand the concept clearly. Now friends, let us proceed on to our next slide. In this slide, we will have to add and match the numbers with their respective objects. Let us see the first box. In the first box, one number is 3 and the other number is 1. So, from our previous concept of addition, we got the number 4. So, now let me find which object matches the figure 4. In the first box, there are only 2 balls. In the third box, you can see there are 5 balls. And in the second box, there are 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. So friends, I guess you have found the answer correctly. So now let us match the answer with correct figures. Now friends, come to our next problem. In the second box, one number is 2 and the other number is 3. Now friends, can you tell me what will be the answer if we add 2 plus 3? Yes, you are correct. The answer will be 5. Now friends, let me see which object matches the figure 5. In the first box, you can see there are 2 balls, and in the last box, you can see there are 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So friends, I guess you have found the answer correctly. So now let us match the correct figures. And in the last box, you can see there are 2 numbers. One number is 2 and the other number is 0. Now friends, can you tell me what will be the answer if we add 2 plus 0? Yes, you are correct. The answer will be 2. Now friends, let me see which object matches the figure 2. In the first box, you can see there are only 2 balls. So friends, now let us match the correct figures. Friends, I hope this is clear to you now. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of previous day's surprise question. Check your answer. The answer of the previous day's question is sun. Sun gives us light and heat. You can see the sun in the sky at daytime. Friends, I hope you all answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let's come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. 2 and 3 gives dash. And the second option is, we have dash number of fingers in one hand. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.